Feeder line installation. Feeder line installation procedures. Feeder installation preparation. Measure feeder length as per the site design requirement. Cut feeder length as per the measurement done. Feeder connectorization. Tools required for feeder connectorization. Cut and remove the upper feeder sheath. Do not scratch the outer conductor. Place the cable in stripping tool and ensure that the blade guide position in the corrugation strap. Now close the tools and rotate in clockwise direction around the cable. Remove the surplus piece of cable sheath. Clean away any burr from the center conductor and cable. Insert the rubber ring and followed by connector into the cable. Carry out slight rotational motion until reaches to the stop position. Clean the burr. Detach the dielectric from the outer conductor by rotating the flaring pin to and fro. Tighten the front portion of the connector by 30 by 32 mm wrench with optimum torque. Cover out the connector with plastic to avoid insertion of external particle or dust. Feeder installation and connection. General precaution to take care while carrying feeder. Tie the rope knot tightly in suitable way and lift the feeder cable with proper support. Usage of correct color tape in between the feeder lifting to avoid cable swapping. Install the feeder cable by using clamp. Guideline related to feeder grounding position. Instruction related to feeder grounding at antenna. Install feeder grounding kit with proper waterproofing and terminated grounding at tower as per guideline. Connect jumper and feeder cable with proper tightness and waterproofing as per guideline. Ensure similar labels on cable are connected to each other. Maintain recommended distance spacing between two feeder clamp. Guideline related to feeder grounding at bottom of tower on vertical cable tray. Install feeder grounding with proper waterproofing as per the guideline. Feeder grounding that are not acceptable. Connect feeder cable and jumper near the BTS with proper guideline. Self-assessment of feeder line installation. Checking BSWR measurement sector-wise. Acceptable reports of VSWR measurement.